And if you turn left, you know, maybe within less than a couple of meters, if I just turn left now, this is the Nkoga center. So if I turn my left, I am headed to Dr. Andy Ubah's residence. The reason Maz is okay here, December 2019. Reason why I'm recording this is I want to show us something. I have driven far to come here in order for us to understand something. When it comes to leadership in the Igbo nation, there is something fundamentally wrong that we need to address. We had Andy Ubah, who incidentally was a senator representing Anambra South, and this is his hometown, Oga, and that's where I have come to make this video. Follow me, be patient with me to understand what I'm saying and what this video is all about. You see, here is the road this man called Senator Andy Ubah uses whenever he gets home. Now, in driving this car, you can hear or feel the galloping and how terrible this road is. You see, I feel so sad driving on this road, knowing that this is a road that leads to a senator's house. These are people that collect, if not billions, for constituency projects, yet there are no roads leading. I mean, how can someone be wicked even unto himself? Because what I see here is sheer wickedness. What stops him from making this road so passable that even his own constituents, those that voted him, those that stood in rain, in sun to vote for him, even for them to basically have in the Nigerian parlance what they call dividends of democracy? As it is, there is nothing like any dividends of democracy, and the people feel nothing. The road is something that really breaks someone's heart. Then you ask, of what use are our senators aside lawmaking? Why? A senator is the voice of the people, and he has been in the National Assembly for so long, or he was for so long, that one can only question, why can't he have influenced this road in order to help and alleviate the pain of his people? Now, look at this. This is this road. Look at how bad this road is. Let me just basically get this zoomed in. No one. You can see how people avoid. This is a question of having multiple potholes. All you need to do is to choose the one you avoid. So it's a question of, you have big sins, small potholes. You only choose the one to avoid. What you cannot do is you cannot avoid the pothole. You only choose the one. Okay, look at that car coming. You cannot go straight. It just basically, after this car will just go into mechanical workshop. This is unbelievable, and I wonder, how can a man who ought to represent his people allow the road to be in this deplorable condition? Mazes, okay, once more speaking, December 2019. Mazes, okay, I have dedicated my life to good governance of the southeastern region. Be it Enugu International Airport, be it Enugu Onitsha Expressway, Enugu Port Harcourt, every single infrastructure that is in the southeast is where my, I want to say that things happen differently. Sorry, if the video is shaking, bear with me, because that is as a result of the good road. You see, see how lucky Mazi is. It appears, I can see there, oh, okay, it's not him coming in. Because if you see down, I saw people with escort there, I thought it's Ubah coming in. Okay, because it's Christmas and everyone is here. People are getting home, and you might think he's the one coming in, but the road is nothing to write home about. I am going to show us the one that can make a pregnant woman in the first trimester to lose, or rather to abort, a baby. This one is an unbelievable sight. It is an unbelievable sight. I never knew that something like this could still be in Anambra State. The argument I don't want to hear is that this is a federal road. Of course, if it's a federal road, he was a federal senator. His job was to influence and to ensure that this road is done. So let's get to this point, and this is, the crux of the matter. I've been speaking for the last couple of minutes, so now brace up and see this. So if you're coming from Anduba's house, that's where I'm coming from now, and you want to go to Oyoga, this is it, people. This is it. This is it. Look, on your left, you see the level of the old asphalt, the level of the old road. Then you see this one. We're basically going into a ditch. It takes half of my car. So I've gone into a ditch in order to navigate this one. And this is people, we pay billions of naira every year in order to represent us, and they could do virtually nothing. In some, within some, for some people, they can say FO. That's basically what they're doing. They do not care. They do not care how the people feel. Anyway, once more, this is Mazes. Okay, my job is to put and report to us and expose and call out names one by one. One by one, I will keep calling them until they fix Igbo Nation. If you don't fix Igbo Nation, you have me to contend with, because I must continue calling you guys out. These things, even with the amount of money for the constituency project, even the amount of money they earn, they can actually, for this Christmas season, get a grader to grade the road to be smooth. Grade the road, ensure you pour water on the road will become usable. But no, they won't. Rather, they will go with 20 escorts, driving our parents, my mom, your dad, my dad, drive them off the road in order for them to speed to where? To their concubines, or to what? Or to their girlfriend? That we don't know. Look, this is the road. This is exactly here, Mazi. I am at Oyoga, Agwata, Anambra State, Nigeria. This is where I am. And this is what you're saying. This is a live feed, a live video from Mazes, okay? It is an unbelievable sight. I am calling them out. I am visibly angry. Look at this trailer with cement. Nothing says that that trailer will not fall and discharge this, its content on the road. How can we as a people hate ourselves to this point? How? How does that happen? Jesus Christ. Anyway, I'm upset now, so I'm going to stop. I would continue some other time. Once more, Mazes okay here, reporting.